Here's a 2016 Volkswagen Passat. Leading by design, this forward-thinking Passat is the stylish midsize sedan that strikes the perfect balance between being family-oriented and professional. It delivers a higher standard of driving and an exterior that has sleek lines and a muscular-looking hood. Technology features like Bluetooth with audio streaming, rear-view camera, and touchscreen sound system are intuitive and convenient. Because your most precious cargo isn't your cargo, safety features include side curtain protection with front and rear head airbags and an intelligent crash response system.
Set it and forget it with the climate control. Hindsight is 20/20 with a backup camera. Wrap yourself in the comfort of heated seats.
Make family time even better in this stylish Passat.
Peoria Volkswagen offers a fresh approach to buying a vehicle. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 8801 West Bell Road in Peoria, Arizona.